Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And did you know that you get iPhone just for 10,000 in India? Yeah, I'm shocked too. Actually, don't fall in such kind of scams, guys. They are nothing but clone phones, and people they still buy clone phones after knowing that it's a clone iPhone. And in this particular video, guys, we are going to talk about why people are obsessed with buying a clone iPhone rather than going for the original one. So let's get started. So number one reason why people buy the clone iPhones after knowing that it's a clone iPhone is because, guys, they just want to show off, and they just want to while they are talking, they just want people to see their Apple logo. And this is one of the reason, guys, like status, etc., whatever you all call it. And even they know that it's not a real working deal with the iPhone, and it's not like the real phone. They still buy it only because to show off their friends and just to show that they belong to a higher standard. And this is one of the reason I think people buy the clone iPhone. If you like this kind of video, please hit that like button and click on subscribe button, and also don't forget to press that little bell notification so that you get the future updates whenever we upload any new video. Second most reason, guys, people buy the clone iPhone in spite of knowing that it's a clone iPhone is because they want the whole interface of an iPhone. They love the interface of an iPhone, but they also want the functionality of an Android phone. So these particular clone phones are nothing but an Android phone, having the skin of an iOS and the body of an iPhone, just like the original one. In fact, nowadays, guys, the clones are so much good that you might not able to recognize. If you have not used an iPhone, then you might not able to recognize whether it's a real iPhone or a clone iPhone. I mean, the technology have gone so good, especially while cloning and all, and it is exclusively available in China. Third most reason why people buy clone iPhone is sometimes they are really scammed. Sometimes people they tell online saying that you are getting an iPhone for 10,000, and just like those foolish kind of people, they just go outside and buy the 10,000 rupee iPhone thinking that it's a real deal. And I'm sure 100% feel, guys, I'm really sorry for those kind of people who really get scammed. Just think about it, the iPhone is nothing less than maybe around 30,000 or somewhat like that, a brand new iPhone. And how can you get that same particular iPhone, maybe, and especially those models which are the latest one, like the iPhone 12 Pro Max and all, they are available for just 10,000. I mean, just think that even Apple won't sell on a discount for that phone for 50,000. So how come you are getting it? I think most of the people are getting scammed, and after getting scammed, they realize the real deal, that they should not buy in the future. In fact, it is very difficult nowadays because there are thousands of variants of this clone iPhone. You get the cheaper ones which comes with sort of a similar kind of specs, and the low end specs, and the top end models of this clone. Yes, they have a top end model too, guys. And those kind of iPhone clones, they are very indistinguishable from the real iPhone. So one of the reason people like to buy clone iPhone is because sometimes they actually get scammed. Fourth reason, according to me, why people are obsessed with the clone iPhone is just for the review, guys. It's just so much fun to have a clone iPhone and then compare it with a real phone. I would be very happy if somebody sends me a clone iPhone and I can actually do a comparison between the real iPhone and the clone iPhone and just show you all what is the difference between it. The camera is crap, the display is crap, also they have the big chain at the button, and all the app store is not working. Basically, it is nothing but an Android phone with a iOS skin, and the performance is not great, guys. I just imagine, guys, if you are getting a phone for 10-12,000, so the actual phone, just to make the components of it will be around 5 to 6,000, and it is very cheap. And definitely you won't be getting something like UFS 3.0 storage or something like a 8 GB RAM for that. You will be definitely getting something like 4 or maybe sometime in poor cases 2 GB RAM, and I don't think so the performance is going to be great. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also, do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot, guys, for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.